What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. And in this video, we have some new goodies for you made by a third party. They're not a big tool company corporation with big compounds. I had stumbled upon, actually I was doing the research because a lot of you had a question. Hey Vince, what would be the best way or the best accessory to allow me to pull my handle out of Packout, the rolling toolbox, because I put my toolbox in a trunk or under a tonneau cover. After some extensive research, Neat came with a solution for all of us. They created a system that includes these pins so you can easily pop in your handle, plug it back tight in place here, and then vice versa. This company is a small family-run business, and what they're doing is they're delivering value to you by creating innovative solutions for modular tool storage systems. Now, they have some new offerings that they sent over to us. We got a whole box of them, professionally packed. I'm gonna open some of these up. These are like little accessory cups. We can segregate nuts, fasteners. Oh, I just figured this out. This cup slides all the way to the bottom, and this cup, because it has these shoulders, will sit on top. So now we've turned this single cup into a 6-compartment cup. Let's just say you had some structural lag fasteners, for instance, and you wanted to store them here. You didn't want them flopping all around because maybe you have different lengths of structural lag fasteners. Like these here, okay? Now, you don't have to worry about, if they're segregated, potentially grabbing the wrong size fastener, going through material, poking out the other end, if you're grabbing the correct length at all times. It's about being efficient. Knowing where everything is at all times will get you on and off the job quicker. It's going to allow you to make more money. I really kind of like the idea of these style organizers because you're not putting a cup inside of a cup. You're using the existing cup and you're just creating partitions within that cup so that you can maybe put 2 style of fasteners in here. Same thing with the half size cups. This one will slide to the bottom. This one stays to the top. Pretty cool. If you look at the bottom here, see these little notches. I'm like, what are those notches for? It's so that it will seat fully in the bottom of the cup. You don't have to worry about a gap at the bottom of your separator and possibly migration of one fastener into the other side of the cup, because that could be disastrous. So I'm sure most of you have a charging solution similar to what you're seeing here, but a lot of concern for most of you is, where do I store my batteries once they're charged? They have either double or single battery mounts. A normal person would drop their battery on there. Pretty cool. You can see you could fit 2 12 amp hours right next to one another. I like it. Let's take a look at the singles. Now, one of the big questions some of the staff here had was, how sturdy are these things? Like, if you're going to use them, slam your battery on them, because that's what people will do. You know, they're going to abuse this stuff. That's it! I quit! I quit! Damn you! I quit! Oh, right in my eye. I should have had my glasses on. We can play twiddlywinks. Vince here in the shop, Vince job site Vince, and here at the office nice Vince is not the same person. If this was me, I'd be like, well, it is me. as weird as that sounds. I think I'm exposing that I might have split personality. The reality is that I would probably be more aggressive. You're talking about setting up a trailer where you're gonna be doing this day in, day out. I think by the end of the week, this thing would be broken, like easily. Let's move on. These seem to be M12 battery mounts. Let's see how they do. I'm just having, you know what I'm having the toughest time with these things? I feel like this just says, like, New York Giants. These lock in as well. Pretty cool. That's real nice, Milwaukee battery mount, for the battery. So you can put singles anywhere you want. You know, by the front door. If you got it like emergency situations, you know, do I have my keys? Do I have my iPro? Oh, I need one of them batteries. Let me get it before I run out the door. You know what I mean? Wow. Look at how much bigger, though, the mount is for Flex compared to Milwaukee. Although it's been mere seconds for you, it's been days, weeks, months, not months. It's actually just been weeks since we videoed the first part of this video. And that is because we've had some back and forth correspondence with Neat Tools about their M18 battery mounts. We said, just want to give you a heads up. We mounted the M18 battery mounts and seated and unseated in 12 amp hour battery and had multiple failures. What is your experience with this? We got a response quickly. Can you please send some photos of the failure points and such? Sorry about that happening. I'm going to try and recreate this at my shop right now. I'm guessing you were just normally using it. Knowing these weaknesses in our design will only make our products better for everyone, so I appreciate you bringing it to my attention. We didn't know if it was the way we were seating and unseating the battery. Were we being abusive? I quit! Or was it limited to maybe the batch that was sent to us, because these are 3D printed. There could be, maybe there's variances, small batch to small batch. These are printed pretty much one at a time. A few hours later, we got a response again from Neat. I think I figured out a new way to make these a lot stronger. I've been doing a bunch of tests today and it came up with almost a skeleton of structures for a revised battery mount. So that means that Neat has come up with a Generation 2 mount. So these are the 2-point mounts. I'm saying this like you haven't seen them in a while. You literally just saw them. We ready? Eight, 9, 10. I feel like the amount of force I was using on Gen 2, if it was Gen 1, I think we would have had some issues already. I mean, I think there's a great improvement made here. Yo, I'm happy about that. I feel like we've helped to contribute to a small business by helping them to improve their design, which should make them be more successful because it gives a better end product to all of you. Let's see if we can find a way to open these things up because they seem super strong, give you a look into what's inside of them. This is Gen 1. You can see that there's infill in these attachment points, these arms or legs, whatever you want to call them, right? on Gen 2, they're completely full at this point. At the main attachment point here at the face in the center, he's greatly increased the infill where it mounts onto whatever surface you're mounting it to. It's a different style, wavy, thicker, and once again, bigger. Good on, neat tool. I'm glad we could work together on this to improve and create Gen 2 M18 battery mounts. Links in the description for you to check out all of this awesome accessories that Neat Tool makes. If you buy them, leave a review. Let us know how you like them. Leave a comment in this video. The more input, the better. It will help to improve this small business. I also appreciate each and every one of you for being here with us. Thanks a lot, everybody. We hope to see you all on this next video. Go and check out this next video. You're going to love it.